The bird that humans fear. This bird looks prehistoric for a reason. The cassowary is one of the most dangerous birds alive today. Standing over 6 feet tall, it moves through rainforests with incredible speed and power. Its legs are built for explosive attacks, and each foot carries a long, razor-sharp claw capable of causing serious injuries. When threatened, the cassowary becomes extremely aggressive. Many people compare it to a living dinosaur. Fast, powerful, territorial. In the jungle, even humans avoid getting too close. Follow WildWonders for more terrifying wildlife stories.